Getting rid of loose skin after weight loss could take time and effort. Now here are some effective strategies. So number one, strength training. This goes without saying. Building muscle can help fill in loose skin. Focus on resistance exercises targeting major muscle groups at least 2-3 times a week. Number two, hydration. I want to leave it all in the description. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and improve its elasticity. Number three, healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, protein, healthy fats, nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, collagen, and omega-3s. The fatty acids can promote skin health. Skincare, number four, use moisturizer lotions that contain ingredients that I'll leave in the description. Shea butter, vitamin E, just to name a couple. And number five, gradual weight loss. If you're still losing weight, aim for a gradual approach. Rapid weight loss can increase the likelihood of loose skin. Did you know that? Number six, massage and exfoliation. You know, scrubs can stimulate blood flow and improve skin appearance. Number seven, consider professional options. Like, you know, if your skin is loose significantly, consult a dermatologist, a plastic surgeon if you really have to. Get treatments like laser therapy, and there's even surgical options. Number eight is patience. You know, it can take time to get weight loss. Patience is key. It takes time. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment regimes in your life.